Hey everybody, there is the Ruger stock we've been working on for the last couple days. Completely glued back together. You ever have broken wood? The vibrating, you know the noise I'm talking about. That baby is rock solid. It's back to being a one-piece unit. This was a truck gun. A guy gave it to me. I think I told you that earlier. With all the epoxy I smeared on it, filling in the dents and the dings. For all practical purposes, that stock can go back on that gun, back in his truck, go ride trapline, shoot coon, shoot skunks, shoot coyotes, shoot whatever needs dispatching. And it'd be good for another 30, 40, 50 years. Who knows? It'd be good until you ran it over with the tractor again. Or I think he was clubbing coons. Somebody was clubbing coons. It takes a lot to break a stock like that. I just showed you it doesn't take much really to fix it. Oh, got a pin falling out there. Get back in there. Brand spanky new. Drops right in there. Perfect fit. I don't know where I'm going with this. I'm going to shoot it with this barrel. If it shoots really good, I'm just going to throw that together, shorten it down. Like I said, this is a grandkid project. You know, I can always go back in this one as they get bigger, their arms get longer. Nothing wrong with that for shooting beer cans and stuff at 20, 30 yards. Plinking gun, you know. I'm going to let this set up at least a week. Cure. Probably be longer than that. It's about 5 degrees above zero right out there. It ain't like you're going to go down to the range and do some target practicing. But I'll figure out what we're going to do with it, how I'm going to cut it, what I'm going to do back here. Got some ideas in my head, not exactly sure. I'm looking for some material. It's going to be kind of off the wall if I do find it. I think I'm going to mix up some more of that epoxy. Just fill little dents and dings so when I sand it all down, it'll be smooth. Shoot a coat of fire engine red on it or something like that. Anyway. That's number 3 on putting a pretty much busted, dilapidated stock back into perfectly good, usable material. Right there. You got one busted, fix her up, put it back on the using mode. You guys have been great to me. Thanks a million bucks. Have a great evening.